What's up, everybody? Carlos Machado here. Man, I'm pumped up. You know what? My bro from Down Under, Professor Tom Davey, my black belt and affiliate out in Adelaide, Australia, has come and shared some deep knowledge on the leg game. So he was awesome enough to come to my headquarters and share with several of my students his secrets on the trapping and the finishing of his leg attack game. Check out his footage. You're gonna have the amazing details. And any of you watching that, I also strongly recommend that you check out the link below with his YouTube channel info. You go there if you wanna extend your knowledge a little further and learn a bit more of his secrets. He gives me hands-on information behind the scenes, but I'll be nice to all you guys and share the knowledge anyways. So check it out, what Tom Davey brought to us, to our headquarters, and also any further secrets, check out his YouTube on the link below.
Guys, it's not cheating. This is what high-level people do. I flew Michelle Nicolini. For those of you who don't know who that is, arguably like the pound-for-pound best female that's been in our sport for the last 20 years. She is amazing. And she busts a lot of guys' feet. And I know a lot of guys that are training with her and said, man, she's like busted my foot up. And so I was hitting her up because like working with her and Louise Punza to try to get these good foot locks, what we saw is they're letting the heel slip out. Now guys, I'm gonna be honest, this kind of thing done in training can injure your partners because many people don't respect a straight foot lock, okay? They don't respect a straight foot lock. But there's a small modification we can make to increase the drastic nature of the injury. However, it now starts to attack the knee. Now this is IBJJF legal, but is it safe? Not really. But in competition, breaking's the name of the game. Can I borrow you please, sir? So I'm just gonna demonstrate it standing up for ease. Just sit down, thank you. So guys, normally we have the heel on our ribs and we're cranking this way. Watch what I can do, ready? Heel slips out. Okay, but when the heel slips out, we have now got what? An inverted heel hook, okay, which we're doing in 2 moves time. But that inverted heel hook is disastrous, okay? So some people call this like an anterior tibialis lock or an Aoki lock, but more or less it just works like this. I'm here with him, I let his heel slip out, and now I'm cranking this way. But can you guys see how that's a heel hook now? Okay, so please tap early, do this very slow to your partners, but anytime I have a foot lock, if I let the heel slip out onto my abs and I keep his toes, see this? That's a direct MCL and ACL attack. Okay, don't get me wrong, you will also destroy the foot, but feet are not as important as knees. Okay, so understand that if you've ever got a foot in competition and the heel slips out or something, you have a tremendous lock right here, but please be careful with it, okay? I personally would prefer a heel hook in no gi, okay? But in the gi, that is a mean attack that is on the borderline of cheating, but it's not. That's called cutting edge warfare, right? No, it is true. Like, think about it. You know, who here's in the military? Who here's served in the military? Okay, so I'm in the middle of the Middle East and I see a Predator drone and I'm like, what's that? And some Hellfire missile blows up my bloody terrorist camp. I'm like, that's not fair. But it's not. That is fair. That's called cutting edge warfare. You know what I mean? This is a little bit like a Predator drone, all right? It's freaking badass. It comes out of nowhere and it can do disastrous damage. So please respect it, okay? You got 20 seconds. Let's go.